Looks like hyenas got to it last night. The meat's still fresh, but we need to move quickly before the heat sets in. The first step is crucial, clearing the thick savanna mud. We use the last of our water ration to reveal the hide beneath before butchering. The parang is clean. Now we can finally butcher this zebra and get some much needed protein before we head to the tree line. Rinsing the steaks now. As you can see, the water is running pink. That's just the blood. We'll get these seasoned soon. I'm holding the cast iron pan directly over the coals now. We need that intense, consistent heat to properly sear the marinated meat. Now this spice-coated meat goes right onto the cast iron. I'm just checking the crust with this stick. It's looking good. Now I'll trap the steam with this acacia leaf to keep it moist. Once that crust forms, you use the sticks to turn it over. That right there is what we're looking for, a perfect golden brown. Bone side out down first. That's the secret to a good zebra steak out here in the savannah. Using the stick here to really press the heat into the thickest part of the steak. You want that crust before sunset. Keep basting that zebra steak with a hot fat, locking in the flavor before the sun dips below the horizon.
key is letting the zebra rest after a good char. Now for the finishing touch of wild herbs and salt.
After tracking all morning, this roasted zebra rib is finally ready. The flavor should be incredible. Look at that, perfectly caramelized. This is what you call a successful hunt and a successful cook out here. Once the pan is clean, a little water on the fire creates the perfect steam to sanitize before cooking.